Now we are given a code on the right side of the screen and we are asked what will be the output for the given code, means the code that is given over here on the right side. It says that whole code has been written in the same source file whose name is b.java. That means we have a class b and it is named with b.java, which is also having the main method, right? So in this case, what will be the output? 1611 compile time error or runtime error? So whenever you get a questions like this where multiple classes are written within the same source file, then the first thing that you must check is what is the access modifier of those classes. So we are having both class A and class B declared as public in the same source file, which is not permitted in Java, as rule says you can have only one class declared as public in a source file. So within the source file we can see there are multiple classes declared as public, which is not permitted in Java, and this is the violation of the rule. So you will get a compilation error for the code written over here, and you don't need to check what is there within these classes because this is completely a violation of the rule, and you have the option compile time error, which you will tick and move on. And to be specific, what kind of compilation error you will get? You will be asked to declare one of the class in its separate file, right? Or remove public from one of them. So either of the two things will work, but since here that is not the case and we have both as public, so compile time error is the correct answer. And thus we hope that you have been able to understand this, and if you find this video informative, please subscribe so that you keep on getting the videos like this in future as well. Thank you.